guys, welcome to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. Today I want to introduce to you guys our just launched new Craft Express Elite all-in-one Tumbler Heat Press. It literally just arrived this week and we just can't wait to make this video to show you guys how great it is. So first, it's available in multiple attractive colors, the ice blue, hot pink, and seashell white. And we can also customize the machines in the colors you want. And I believe you guys have noticed its biggest difference. That's right, it doesn't have a control box. We combine the control box and the tumbler heater together, and that's why we call it the all-in-one tumbler heat press. It's more compact and it can save more of your space. And we have improved the control panel with a more clear LCD screen. And it's easy to use as usual. Later I will show you guys how to do all the settings. Although the machine is smaller in size, it comes with this very large tumbler heater. It measures 27 centimeters long and it can heat evenly and transfer a 24 centimeter long picture. It can print any bottle or tumbler within a diameter of 8.5 centimeters. And it can wrap a 30-ounce or a 20-ounce skinny tumbler and make full and seamless print on them. Not just the stainless steel drinkware, the machine can also be used on some sublimation ceramic mugs. It can print to 11-ounce or 15-ounce ceramic mugs in just one go. So in terms of its function, it's also an all-in-one tumbler heat press because it can print more than tumblers. And we have also improved the heater with this fixed metal clamp to make it much easier to attach. You can attach the heater in a breeze without adjusting its position, and we also improved the fixing screws. They are made of stainless steel, more durable and sturdy. Now the tumbler heat press is ready to be used. Before turning on the machine, we need to adjust the pressure. Put one tumbler into the heater and you see these two knobs. Turn them clockwise to increase the pressure and anti-clockwise to decrease the pressure. And please make sure these two edges are parallel so that the pressure is even. Then I can turn on the machine by pressing the green button and set the parameters. You can see 4 buttons on the control panel: set button, minus and plus buttons, and clear button. Press set button once and press minus and plus buttons to adjust the temperature. Then press set button again, then adjust the time, and press set button one last time to save the settings. And the machine can help remember how many times you have used it. You can check the number here below the time value, and if you want to reset the counter, just press the clear button. So next, let's go printing some items. So do you guys like the printer result? The bottle, the tumblers, and the mugs are so perfectly done. Everything printed by this tumbler heat press is perfect. And if you want to order this amazing machine right now, you can send email to best@bestsub.net. And please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel so you won't miss our next update. And I'm Alex, hope to see you again in my next video.